Welcome and thank you for joining us. Our program will begin shortly. All attendees are muted and video is turned off so that we can just simply relax. Please take a moment to read the disclaimers and we will begin shortly. Welcome to Mindful Monday. I'm your host, Maureen Mullen, a donor family advocate with LifeNet Health. Thanks for joining us today for a few minutes of relaxation. So, how was your week? For those of you who joined us last time, did you have a chance to pay some attention to your breathing? If not, it's never too late to start. Remember, focusing on our breathing keeps us in the moment. When we are in this moment, right here and now, we aren't replaying what's happened in the past. We're not worrying about what may or may not happen in the future. We are simply here. Paying attention to our breathing helps us calm down. And as we begin to calm down and slow down our breathing, we lower our heart rate and our blood pressure. So that's what we are going to do today. We are going to use the sound of the rain and our breathing to help us slow down and set everything else aside for a bit and just relax. So you can hear the sound of the rain in the background. And here's a picture of gentle rain. You can look at this to help you relax, or you can close your eyes, whichever you prefer. As we talked about last time, a good way to slow down our breathing is to breathe from our abdomen. Let's practice this again for a little bit. Place your hand just above your navel. As you breathe in, think of filling a balloon with air. Let your abdomen expand. As you breathe out, let your abdomen contract. So, breathe in through your nose. Let your abdomen expand as you breathe in and contract as you breathe out. In the beginning, abdominal breathing may not seem very natural. It might feel quite the opposite. But over time and with practice, it does become easier. So for now, let your belly expand as you breathe in and let it contract when you breathe out. Take it slowly and don't worry about doing it the right way. With practice, you will find your breathing becoming deeper and slower. Your heart rate will slow down as well. Once you feel comfortable with abdominal breathing, you can use it anytime and anywhere to help you relax. You can use it to help you get to sleep, and you can use it to get back to sleep if you wake up in the middle of the night. Now that we've had a chance to practice abdominal breathing, I'd like to invite you to continue breathing while listening to the rain. As you pay attention to your breathing, you may find your mind drifting off to other places. This is totally natural. This is human. So there's no need for judgment when this happens. We're just going to simply be aware of it. Just acknowledge it. You might say to yourself, okay, I see I'm thinking about something else, but right now I'm going to bring my mind back to my breathing. This might happen dozens of times, hundreds of times, but it really doesn't matter because we're just practicing what it feels like to pay attention to our breathing. So we'll simply bring our mind back to it as often as we need to. Now sit comfortably in your chair with your back and neck straight. Uncross your legs and place both feet on the floor. Place your hands in your lap with your palms facing up. Close your eyes if that's comfortable for you. And inhale and exhale through your nose. Be aware of the room around you. Become aware of yourself from head to toe. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breathing. Continue to breathe through your nose, letting there be no pause between the breaths. As you breathe, feel your abdomen expand as you breathe in and contract as you breathe out. As you breathe, feel the tension leave from all parts of your body. Your muscles feel smooth and loose. Feel yourself letting go and sinking into a deep relaxation. Imagine now that you're in a very comfortable room. In fact, the room seems to be made just for you, with all the things that are comforting to you. Sitting in a comfy chair by the window, you feel comfortable, cozy, and relaxed. You hear the sound of rain outside your window, and it's such a good feeling to know that you are here and you have nowhere else to be but here, taking care of yourself, listening to your breathing, listening to the rain. Concentrate for a minute on your breathing. Notice your breath as it flows in and out, not trying to change it in any way, just being aware of it, in and out. You might notice how the breath feels cool as it enters the nose and warm as it leaves the nose. Notice the slow, natural rhythm of your breath. Place your right hand on your abdomen as you did before, just above the navel. Now continue to breathe through your nose, and as you inhale, gently push your abdomen out and feel your hand rise slightly. As you exhale, gently relax your abdomen, letting it pull in. Feel your hand fall. Continue breathing through your nose letting there be no pause between the breaths. As you breathe, feel your abdomen expand as you breathe in and contract as you breathe out. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breathing. Continue to breathe as you listen to the rain. As you breathe, feel your abdomen expand as you breathe in and contract as you breathe out. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breathing. As you breathe, concentrate on releasing all tension in your body. As the rain slides down the window outside, feel the tension slide away from your body. Continue breathing through your nose, letting there be no pause between the breaths. As you breathe, feel your abdomen expand as you breathe in and contract as you breathe out. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breathing. Continue to breathe as you listen to the rain. As you breathe, feel your abdomen expand as you breathe in and contract as you breathe out. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breathing. Now release any tension you feel in your body. Beginning with your legs, feel the tension leave your ankles, your feet, and your toes. Now letting go of any tension in the muscles of your thighs, and in your calves. Relaxing your pelvic area, your hips, and your lower back. Continue to breathe as you release all tension. Feel your abdomen gently rise as you inhale each breath and fall as you exhale the breath. Pay attention now to your heart. Notice that it feels calm and peaceful. It feels good to know that you're taking care of yourself. Now focus on releasing the tension in the rest of your body. Feel the tension flow out of your upper arms, your lower arms, your hands, and your fingers. Feel the tension leave the muscles in your upper back. And shoulders. Release any tension in your neck. And feel the muscles in your face become smooth. Feel the muscles in your forehead and your eyebrows loosen. Your cheeks and nose are relaxed. Your mouth and jaw are smooth and relaxed. Your whole body feels quiet, comfortable, and at ease. Listen to the sound of the rain as it continues to fall. Just sit back in your comfy chair with nowhere to be but here, right now, in this moment. As you listen to the rain, become aware again of your breathing. Notice the slow, natural rhythm of your breath. Notice how your breath feels cool as it enters the nose and warm as it leaves the nose. Continue to inhale and exhale through the nose, letting there be no pause between the breaths. Continue breathing through your nose. And as you inhale, gently push your abdomen out. Feel your hand rise slightly. As you exhale, gently relax your abdomen, letting it pull in. Feel your hand fall. Continue breathing through your nose, letting there be no pause between the breaths. As you breathe, feel your abdomen expand as you breathe in and contract as you breathe out. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breathing. Continue to breathe, listening to the rain. Continue breathing through your nose, letting there be no pause between the breaths. As you breathe, feel your abdomen expand as you breathe in and contract as you breathe out. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breathing. Continue to breathe and listen to the rain. Listen to the rain and continue breathing through your nose, letting there be no pause between the breaths. As you breathe, feel your abdomen expand as you breathe in and contract as you breathe out. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breathing. Continue to breathe. Continue breathing through your nose, letting there be no pause between the breaths. Now become aware of the moment. Feel the floor beneath your feet. Become aware of yourself from head to toe. Become aware of the room around you. And when you are ready, slowly open your eyes, move your arms and legs, and take a nice long stretch. So how did that feel for you? If this was your first time focusing on your breathing, it may have felt uncomfortable. That's all right. The more you practice paying attention to your breathing, the easier it will be to learn to relax. As we talked about last time, when we take the time to relax and unwind, oftentimes strong emotions can bubble to the surface. And it may be that's your mind and your body saying to you, pay attention. These feelings are important. And some ways to deal with those feelings would include taking care of yourself, having compassion, crying if you feel like crying. Some people feel it helps to write their feelings down to help sort things out. Others like to talk with someone else about their feelings. And this could be a friend or a loved one or a therapist. The main thing is to be kind to yourself. Be gentle with yourself. And treat yourself as though you really are your very own best friend. Donor Family Services is here for you. If you need help, reach out to us at 800-847-7831, extension 4412. We hope you enjoyed Mindful Monday. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me, Maureen Mullen, at Maureen_Mullen@lifenethealth.org. And please join us for our next Mindful Monday on Monday, June 8th at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. And we wish you a very peaceful week.